Hello everyone, it's Tammy at Creative Girl Vintage. I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, a very warm welcome to you. So today's project, we are going to alter a little library card and pocket into a sweet little Christmas ornament for gift giving that you can tuck in a gift card. So it's one of those gifts that just keeps on giving, right? Okay, let's set these aside and get going on this project. We're going to start with our coffee dyed, which I just got done coffee dyeing a bunch of these, so I know I have coffee dyed fingers here too. Coffee dyed library card with its little pocket. This is going to be like the little base for our ornament. And for our hanger, we're going to use just a black chenille stem, just a little from the craft store. I'm going to do this whole project with hot glue. I'm just going to put a little in the corner there. And tuck that in, little corner on this one, and tuck that in to make our hanger for our ornament. There we go. Take our card, pop it back down in there. That. Okay, getting started. And I always like to do something on the back of my projects, whether I'm selling them or if they're for gifts. It just makes everything look so finished and nice. So this is just a little piece of scrapbook paper that I cut out. Kind of got some of my cutting done ahead of time, so we wouldn't have to spend time on that. Just going to lay that on the back. There, nice finished back on the project. All right, turn that over. Let's pull this stuff in here. I've got a little bit of black rickrack, which I thought would be cute to put up here on the top of the card. This particular one we're putting together today is the little choir boys. And they have a little touch of black on their little robes, so I thought I'd just bring out that little accent of black. Okay, there we go. And pop these little guys in here. That's going to be cute. I'm going to put just on this lip right here a little bead of glue, and that's basically just to hold that card in so it doesn't go anywhere. We'll pop in our little guys right here. Isn't that cute? This is a download from Etsy shop Bygone Charm, and basically you purchase your download from her shop, print it out on cardstock and cut it out, and you are ready to go. There's a link to her shop below, so you can go over and grab some little choir boys. She's got some pretty things in that shop to download. I'm just going to add my little boys right there. I'm going to keep it easy and just put a little dab of glue behind his head right there. Okay, so they're in place. See how easy that is? This is a some tulle netting. Any fabric store, usually around by the bridal. I'm going to stick it on there, a little bit of glue, nothing fancy. And then here I have a little piece of sheet music that says Carol, Sweet Carol. Now I have a collection of these old vintage hymn books that are from like the 1800s. I started finding these at the flea market, and I couldn't resist. So now I have like a big stack of them. So what I did was I found Carol, Sweet Carol in the book, and I scanned it and printed it out. So on my blog, this is on my blog, along with, let me just bring out this one too, along with the jingle bells that I scanned from one of my sheet music. So both of them are there. Just right click them. They're for you. They're free. And this one here with the deer, I know it's really cute. So it's basically the exact same concept as this one we're putting together here. The little deer came from, let's see, it was Etsy shop Mon Bonbon. So isn't that a darling little deer? So the link to her shop will be in the description box as well. So basically this one went together just like this one. So you could add whatever you like into your little library pockets. So gives you let your imagination just go wild. Find something that you like too. So I'm just going to take Carol, Sweet Carol, put a little glue on it, lay it right there. Okay, I wanted to leave this little pocket open. You see, I did that on both of these. So the pocket is left open. I didn't glue anything down in the front of that pocket. Now this is really cute. I got these on Etsy, and this came from a shop called Rachel Scraps. And of course her link is there too. And you can buy these in any quantity you want. Aren't they adorable little mini doilies? And I thought these looked really cute on this project. So I will add one right there on our sheet music, and you can see the little deer had one as well. Okay, and then I've got, this is from Hobby Lobby, just the black and white check ribbon. Oh, let me do a little bit more of this black rickrack along the bottom here. That would look cute. There we go. Kind of balances it all out. I don't know. We'll lay that one right there. A little bow right there on that little doily. And then I had, just in my button jar, I found a little black button. I'm going to pop it on right there. Okay, that looks really cute, doesn't it? All right, so if you watch my channel, you know that I have a wonderful little crafting sidekick in my granddaughter. Excuse me. So anytime we add any glitter to a project, Aubrey, this is for you. She loves to glitter. So we're just going to add a little bit on these little guys' robes. And sprinkle it on there. And earlier I added glitter to the little Christmas ornaments in the little deers, on the little deer's ear. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't get my words out. All right. So, how cute are these, you guys? Now watch this. Now you want to give a little gift. You've got your little pocket right here. You can pop in a couple of gift cards for some coffee. What a nice little gift for a teacher, coworker. And then to finish it off on the back, I have this little rubber stamp. I did it already on this one. To and from. Thought that was just kind of cute on the back. Let's pop that on there. Isn't that cute? Okay. So there you have it. The gift that keeps on giving. Once they spend their gift card, they have a beautiful little ornament that they can hang on their tree every year that was handmade by you. It's a great time to get started on some Christmas stuff. We've got plenty of time right now, don't we? So thank you guys for watching today, and keep your creative spirit shining. I'll be back with more crafting videos soon, and I hope you'll come back and join me. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye.